Market research. The market research section is where you will put information about the research you've done on your business, your competitors, the industry, and how your business will affect your target audience. This section shows potential investors as well as yourself that you have a thorough understanding of the current market. Rebecca separated her market research into 4 parts: industry, detailed description of customers, company advantages, and regulations. Industry. We Can Do It Consulting will join the office management and business process improvement consulting industry. Generally, larger consulting firms such as KEG Consulting work with international corporations, while smaller consulting firms work with both large corporations and small organizations, usually closer to home. Consulting firms structured like ours also have a history of working with local, state, and federal government agencies. The consulting industry is still recovering from the economic recession. It was hit hardest in 2009 when the industry shrank by 9.1%. However, as the economy recovers, the industry is showing signs of growth. A recent study stated that operations management consulting is projected to grow by 5.1% per year for the next several years. Rebecca shows she has a clear understanding of her industry by providing information and data about other consulting businesses. She is aware of the past performances and has a general idea of potential future growth. This information helps her to make the decision to provide the necessary services to her target audience. Detailed description of customers. The target customers for We Can Do It Consulting are business owners, human resource directors, program managers, presidents, or CEOs with 5 to 500 employees who want to increase productivity and reduce overhead costs. Specifically, we specialize in consulting white-collar executives on office processes such as job tracking, production, getting the most out of meetings, leadership, financial or hiring best practices, and other needs relevant to potential customers who serve in a management role within small or large organizations that may be bogged down by processes, bureaucracy, or technical experts with little leadership experience. To capitalize on opportunities that are geographically close as we start and grow our business, We Can Do It Consulting will specifically target executives within companies in the manufacturing, automotive, healthcare, and defense industries. This would allow us to take advantage of the company's close proximity to hospitals, one of the largest employers in the region, automobile and vehicle parts factories, and government contractors supporting the nearby former Air Force Base, now an Aviation Technology Center. You'll notice that the majority of the information in this description is exactly the same as an executive summary. It's possible that Rebecca has written this section first and then the executive summary, or the other way around. She explains how her business is going to target her customers and how it's going to provide services to them. It's a short, clear, and concise paragraph that is well understood by the reader. Company advantages. Because We Can Do It Consulting provides services as opposed to a product, our advantages are only as strong as our consultants. Aside from ensuring our team is flexible, fast, can provide expert advice, and can work on short deadlines, we would take the following steps to support consulting services. Maintain only PMP certified project managers. Ensure account team members use our proprietary planning and reporting process to stay in touch with customers and keep them updated on projects. Provide public speaking training for all consultants. Develop close relationships with subcontractors who can support us in areas such as graphic design to ensure materials and presentations are always clear and maintain a consistent brand. All our staff members have at least a 4-year degree, with 20% having an advanced degree. We are a virtual company without a lot of overhead costs or strict corporate rules, which saves time, money, and creates a flexible workspace for getting things done. Rebecca understands that she is in a competitive industry and understands that her business has limitations. However, she will highlight her business strengths, as this will have to be the focus to grow a successful business. Regulations. We Can Do It Consulting must meet all federal and state regulations concerning business consulting, specifically Code of Federal Regulations in Title 64, Parts 8753 and 4689.62, 65, and 74, and Title 86.7 of the Code of South Carolina. Here, Rebecca is just reinforcing to potential investors or anyone viewing her business plan that she is in compliance with federal and state laws. The majority of businesses require licenses to operate, and all business would be under some sort of regulation. It's your responsibility as an entrepreneur to know what licenses you need and what regulations affect your business. As we wrap up this lesson, consider the following questions. What information goes in the market research section? Why is this information important? An additional activity, using Rebecca's format for market research, create your own market research section for your business plan.